is just a short video right here, just to demonstrate the before and after. See, although it doesn't look that clean because there's stains in the ground, in the concrete, deep stains because they didn't seal it right, you can still look and see what difference we're making. Because this is before, and we've already scrubbed this and hit some gum off of it, and a lot of the surface dirt is washed away, but you can still see the ground and how dirty it is. And over here on the left, we've already power washed it, scrubbed it, got the gum, and now this is going to be the final clean. And then once it dries, it's going to look way whiter and cleaner than it was before. And here comes Di to get started on it. So watch what happens when he hits it. Sit there and get down here and look at it. There you go. You can see right here. Big difference, big difference. There it is, before and after. All that dirt. And these stains are not quite as dark when it dries, too. They're deep down inside the concrete, so when it gets wet, the stains stand out a lot more, but when it dries, it tends to be a lot lighter. So the after picture is going to look really clean. I'll post some after pictures of the gas station later when I get a chance. But there you go, I wanted you to see before and after.